Okay, today is Monday, January 15th, 2024. We're at 925 Carrington Drive in Northville. As you can see, we're at a 4-inch stack base here. Picks up 2 bathrooms. You can see we have a laundry, and farther down by the workbench we have the kitchen stack, and on the other side of the door, it's hard to see, but there's a stack there for a half bath. The main cleanouts are located in the closet area straight across from the stairs coming down. The storm cleanout is above grade, and we were able to get that off. We do currently have water flowing in the storm. The sanitary was below grade, so we were able to access the stack base. This will be televising some of the cast iron building drain along with the building sewer. As you can see here, this is the 4-inch cast iron. It does have some scale buildup to it. As you can see, this is a Y picks up a floor drain in front of the laundry tub. This Y here picks up the laundry. This line could definitely use some cast iron descaling. As you can see, we have scale built up on both sides. We should have 2 more openings. Here you can see just up ahead, and that would be for the kitchen here. And then we should have 1 more opening, which would be the half bath. You can see we still have scale buildup in the line, but the cast iron currently is not holding any water. And you can see up ahead here, this is the main clean out. This will be right before we drop down, and you can see this is where we tie in to the storm. As you can see, we do have a flow coming from the storm at this time. We are going to go ahead and continue our televise out to the city main. Again, you can see the cast iron throughout. Could definitely use descaling. Here you can see this is where we change from the cast iron to the 6-inch clay pipe. We are going to continue down to the city main. As you can see here, we do have what looks to be some roots and possibly also some calcite. Little offset at that joint there. As you can see, the root infiltration along the bottom here. Again, this joint as well. So you can see we do have an amount of root infiltration in the sanitary sewer outside. It's definitely something we could clear with some hydrojetting, which would be needed after cast iron descaling. There are a few trees in the front yard. I'm going to pause. We're going to try and run some cold water down through the laundry to see if it'll help us push through this line. It is hard to push through all the cast iron and all the fittings. Okay, as you can see here, we've got an increased water flow. This is from the laundry tub, just to see if this will help us push down to the city main. If we get to the main, at that point we will turn the water off. This is as far as we can push at this time. We are going to go ahead and turn the water off, let the water flow stop. We will pull back. Unfortunately, we're going to be unable to access the main cleanout due to the fact of it is buried in the concrete. And this is a house for a home buyer. Would damage some of the tile flooring. So we will pause at this time, let the water drain down, and we will go ahead and continue to record as we pull back. Okay, as you see, we were able to go forward just a little bit more, but it is extremely difficult. Try and see if we can advance. We would like to try and get to the city main. We believe the main is located out in the road, or possibly across the street, due to the water main is on this side of the street. Unfortunately, with the snow on the ground, it's hard for us to locate manholes at this time. Okay, at this time, unfortunately, we cannot make it to the main. We are going to pull back. We will continue to record. Okay, as you can see when we're pulling back through this area, you can see some of the joints here do have a ring of calcite. Some of that would be removed with hydrojetting, and we might not be able to get all of it off, but definitely the bigger chunks and the root infiltration we would be able to clear.